This is how much you can make investing $1,000 into Based Finance in 10 days, more than $7,300. But should you invest here? Well, watch the video until the end to know, because in this video you will learn everything you need to know about Based Finance and how they can offer this crazy 8,356% ROI. So in this video, I will go over what is Based Finance, how much you should expect to make, my professional review of this project. Is it a scam? Is it a good investment? Should you invest in this project? AV here, and today I will analyze and rate Based Finance, a brand new tomb fork on the Fantom Network. I share in-depth crypto project reviews every day, so let's get started. What is Based Finance? Based Finance is another pure copy of Tomb Finance on the same network, which is Fantom, so nothing original here. And it uses an algorithmic token named Base that is pegged to the price of Fantom 1-to-1. That's how it's possible to achieve such a high yield. How much can you make? Based Finance offers 22% daily APR on your investment at the time of recording, and as always, this won't last long. It's only interesting for a few days. And at the current rate, you should make more than 100x on your investment if the money compounds daily in a year. Now let's dive deep into this project and see if Based Finance is a good investment using multiple important criteria that I use to invest in crypto projects. Based Finance will be rated on a scale of 1 to 10. Is the project audited? It's not audited and no plans for it so far. They say that it's a tomb fork and no need for audit, and all contracts will be verified for you to check. No audit, no points, sorry. Let's check the charts. The price of their main token Based is going down to its peg, but it's still way over peg. The price of their rewards token named BeShare went all the way since launch day, but it lost over 43% of its value in just a few hours, so that's not good. Also, I forgot to say that they don't have a bond token yet and no boardroom or bond section, which is concerning, but it should come in the coming days. I give them 0.25 points for the charts. Is the team anonymous? No KYC yet, but they are in talks with Assure DeFi. There's no problem that they are anonymous, but if there's no KYC, it means their identity will never be revealed if they scam. But they are in talks with Assure DeFi, so I give them 0.25 points. Do they have a strong community? Over 1,700 followers on Twitter with good engagement. Their followers are looking legit. Almost 2,000 members on Discord, 500 members on Telegram. Over $10 million in total value locked. They deserve a full point here. Checking their domain name. So they have registered on GoDaddy, a reputable domain site, the 12th of January, and the remaining infos are masked as always. 0.5 points here. Is their product unique? Absolutely not. Pure copy of Tomb Finance. Nothing is original on this tomb fork so far. 0 points. Is there enough liquidity? Having enough liquidity means it's easy to buy or sell your token. If there is only small liquidity available, it will be difficult to sell your token when you need to and can severely impact how much profit you can make. And they have over $1.1 million in liquidity. This is good, full point. The code analysis. We're here on Token Sniffer, and they got 0 points out of 100 in the automated audit, so this is not good. Here are the issues found. The source code contains a mint function which could potentially allow new tokens to be created and dumped. The contract contains ownership functionality, and ownership is not renounced, which may allow the creator or current owner to modify contract behavior, for example, disable selling, change fees, or mint new tokens. The holder analysis is looking good. Not enough liquidity. This is a mistake by Token Sniffer, I believe, because there are over $1.1 million in liquidity. And the final issue is that not enough liquidity is locked or burned, which could allow for significant amounts to be removed, rubbed, pulled. Definitely some red flags here, 0 points. Are there whales that could dump the price of the token? So at first, it looks good. Over 400 holders of the token Based. Most of the tokens are in the smart contracts. The biggest holder has just 0.3% of the tokens. It's not a whale. But when you go to the reward token named BeShare, here's where the whales are at. One holder has 17% of the tokens, and there are more than 10 whales. Not good at all. 0 points. What does our AI predict? Using thousands of crypto projects' data, our AI Appreciator predicts that the future of Based Finance is negative, unfortunately. 0 points here. The final rating for Based Finance is 3 out of 10. Not enough to be considered as a good project, and not many tomb forks live for long, so we will see how it goes. Is it a scam? So far it's not, but they will have to improve if they want to be here for the long term. And there are many red flags. Is it a good investment, and should you invest here? This video is not financial advice, but here's what I think. It's absolutely not a good place to put your money. There are too many red flags, but if you're a gambler, maybe this can be a place to invest for a few days, but I don't think they will be here in the long term. If they improve in the future, I'm willing to do an update. You can follow my Twitter at Colin0x. I drop new crypto gems on there before putting them on YouTube. And if you like this type of content, please drop a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment below your favorite tomb fork so far, and see you in the next one.